Good morning, class 3. I hope children you all are fine. Children, today also we will continue with the chapter number 5, that is introducing the internet. In the previous period, children, you have learned about the requirement for internet connection and a little bit introduction about what is internet. Now in this chapter we will study about few terms that we that we come across in our day-to-day lives when we talk about internet. So in this context, the first term that we are going to study is web browser. Means, what is web browser? The information that is available on different websites can be accessed by special software called web browser. Means, whatever information, the first and the foremost reason why we use internet is to get information about something. Okay, so that information is available in different websites, and for those websites to be accessed, you need a special software which is known as web browser. Okay, now I will tell you some names and then you will be able to recognize them, because you must have seen them in your parents' phone or in your computer system, or else also you must have heard about these. So the few web browser are Microsoft Internet Explorer, okay, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome are some of the most commonly used web browsers. Means, these are the most commonly used web browser. And if you notice in your book, here 3 pictures are given. Okay, so these pictures are basically representing these web browsers. These are the, you can say, these are the icons on which we click to open these web browsers. So for Microsoft Internet Explorer, this is the symbol in which E is there. Mozilla Firefox, this is the symbol in which little bit fire is there along with the picture of fox. And Google Chrome, this is the symbol for Google Chrome. Okay, so these are most commonly used web browsers. So let us take an example. A simple example of web browser is like where if we want to study, when we want to study, we need to keep our books and copies on something. So usually we keep them on the table. So web browser is like a table in which we can open our books, that is different websites, to access information. Okay, so now it must be easier for you to understand what is the meaning of web browser and how we can use website with reference to that. Fine, children. Now, if we need to open a website, we have to type the address of the website in the address bar and press enter key. When you will open this web browser, there will be a bar at the top. Okay, in that you need to write the address of the website. Like website, let's take the example of a website. Your school, that is our school St. Patrick's Junior College, has a website. Okay, when we want to open it, we need to type the address of the website in the bar, and as soon as we will click enter or go, the website will be opened. So you can press enter key or you can press go key. Fine. So in this way the website will open. Now we are on page number 50. Second term that we are going to study is World Wide Web. Please notice, children, that this word is wrongly written here. It should be world. Okay. So you can see the spelling here, WORLD. Now, what is World Wide Web? That is www. The largest collection of information in the form of website on the internet is known as World Wide Web. So this is the large collection of information. Means you can't even imagine how many computers are involved and how much information is there in this collection of information in this www, and it is in the form of various websites. And if you notice, whenever we type the address of any website, most of the websites, it includes www. So for us to imagine how big this collection is difficult. Okay, so this is like a big book in which websites are like pages in which information is there. Okay, and here you can see the picture of Internet Explorer. Okay, and at the top this bar is there where you will type the address. Now next term which we are using even now and which we hear almost every day is website. The collection of linked web pages that provide information is called a website. It is comparable to a book that contains many pages. Means in this, the website is a collection of linked web pages. How can we know that these are linked? Suppose you go to, you visit the website of your school, that is St. Patrick's Junior College, and you want to access the gallery, some pictures there. So you will keep on clicking on the various options. Clicking means you are opening the other pages. Means there has to be a link between various pages. The first page, that is the home page that you see, and thereafter one by one you are accessing various different pages. So these web pages are linked. Just like in a book, let's say, just take the example of computer books. In this, first you read chapter 1, then chapter 2, then chapter 3, and all these pages are coming one by one like that. So same way, website is a collection of linked web pages. Fine. Now web page, a part of website containing text, pictures, sounds, videos, animations, etc. is called a web page. Web page is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. Means a part of the website, just like a simple page is there which is connected to a book. Same way, web page is a part of the website which contains text, written text, then pictures, then sounds. It may have sounds also, videos also, animations also, and together it will form a web page. So this is stored in an electronic form. In means we are able to access it using internet. So automatically it is present in the electronic form and not in paperback form. Means in just like this book. It is not just like this book. It is present in the electronic form. Now you can see at the top here the website of www.yahoo.com is shown to you. So if you will click on these options, some other page will open. One more website that is shown to you is web page of www.123greetings.com, which you can use for sending greetings to your loved ones. So here also, if you notice in your book, if you see the address you need to type, and then it will show you this page. Fine. So just like that, you can try in your own way, and you can even open your school's website. Okay. So children, till here you will read at home, and you will try to open, if you have system at your home, you will try to open different websites, web browsers, and then websites in that. Okay, and we shall continue with the chapter in our next period. Bye bye, take care.